Hi, today we want to learn wildfire burn scale mapping or wildfire mapping using Landsat and dNBR in a Google Earth engine. Wildfires significantly impact ecosystems, human settlements, and air quality, and remote sensing provides effective way to monitor burn scales using the satellite data. One of the most reliable indices for identifying the burned area is the normalized burn ratio or NBR. And in NBR, we are using the near infrared and Fourier bonds. And the difference of DNBR measured change in the NBR before and after fire. High positive dNBR values typically indicate the vegetation loss due to burning, and a standard threshold of 0.1 or higher is often used to detect the burned areas. Application of this context is we implement in the platform Google Earth NG with sensor Landsat 8 and area of interest Los Angeles fire on January 2025. We define the bounding box for Los Angeles. If you don't know how can create a bounding box, you can watch the video related to this. And run the code to zoom the Los Angeles areas. And after this, we need to set the pre and post fire. We define the four variable for this, divide the time into pre and post fire period, and load the Landsat 8 data with the cloud cover of 20%. We use Landsat ALC08C02 T1L2 filtering it based on location and cloud cover less than 20%. And we use to create the median composite image, generate the median composite to reduce noise and artificial effect for the pre-fire and post-fire, and compute the NBR value. We define the function compute NBR and use to return the image normalized difference of a band 5 and band 7, and we name it NBR, and we use it for the calculate for pre and after fire, and compute the dNBR, find the difference in the NBR to highlight the change to the fire, and after this we can yet find the burned area with the threshold values of greater than 0.1 with the self masks, and add the all layers in a map to color pre-fire, post-fire, and the dNBR and burned area. If we run this code, we can visualize the RGB composite and other layer, and you can see we implemented this for the Los Angeles wildfire event on January 2025. Here we can detect some areas visually here, but with this code we can detect easily. You can see it is a dNBR and burned area masks. We can zoom and compare the burned area with the and check this area with the pre and post fire, and you can see the damaged buildings detected with this method. This workflow provides a fast reliable method for assessing the wildfire impacts using the satellite data, and the dNBR approach is widely adopted in the environment monitoring and disaster response. If you're interested in wildfire mapping, you can watch the video about the wildfire mapping with the multi-sun sentinel tool. Thank you for your watching. Please like and subscribe our video.